Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Lost Latvian here with another video about the fitted hats, and this is gonna be the unboxing video. I got so many hats to show you. I may have to break this down to the several different videos, but we're gonna start with this nice 8-pack right here sitting right in front of me. All these caps were actually ordered around Thanksgiving, Black Friday deals, and actually this came from Europe, Topperzstore. So Topperzstore caps, yes, don't be surprised, you heard me right. These all came from Toppers in Austria, and so yeah, there are ways how to get the caps here still, and for me, I was thinking about it after watching views from the Walt videos, like how to circumnavigate the situation, and go as a reseller and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to find information how to get these hats here to the United States, you should go and subscribe to their channel, and then not just browse through their videos. And they have a specific video which I believe it was Jason who explains how to get these hats mailed to you here in the States. However, like I was thinking about it and all these resellers and whatnot, and then I was like, man, what the hell am I talking about? What am I thinking? I'm from Europe myself. I have the whole family back home, in Latvia. So I went to the store, shopped for these caps. They got delivered to Latvia to my sister's house. And then my brother-in-law mailed it to me, and sure, it takes quite a while to get them here because they got a ship from Austria to Latvia. Then there was Christmas in between, and so I did not want it for the package to get lost. So I told him just to hold on and mail it at the end of the year, when all that Christmas shopping and the mailing died down. So yeah, that's what he did. On the 28th, I believe, of December, he dropped them in the mail, and here they are, and they're been here already for like a week. So without further ado, let's look at these caps. These ones actually I've seen already myself. The other caps, I haven't even opened them yet, and one box just came in today. So yeah, let me just throw this plastic somewhere, and let's just go one by one. And let's start out with this gorgeous Pittsburgh's Pirates cap. Look at that side patch. It's an All-Star game, 1974 All-Star game, and just look at the details. Like this is what Topperzstore is all about. Just look at the details. How well it's done. They've done their homework. It's a very simple hat with the P logo on it. There's nothing too fancy about it. But a lot of times, the less is better, So a very, very nice, solid cap from Topperzstore. Absolutely love this one. It almost somewhat looks like a plain Jane, even with this side patch, but the general look, a very clean cap, I'd say. It's an excellent one. Green UV, white guts, and this cap was made in China. So yeah, so very happy of getting this cap in my possession. And actually, with all these restrictions, I feel like to buy the caps, to get them, the caps you really want is so much easier than it used to be. From Topperzstore. It used to sell out, within minutes. Now I can go there and browse through it, and very few times I haven't been able to, get what I want. So, all right, Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh Penguins, I'm a hockey guy, for the most part, and If you watched my previous videos, you know, I made the same thing with the Boston Bruins, you know, and Boston Red Sox. No, Pittsburgh Penguins. This is a Pirates cap. God, man, same mistake again. Pittsburgh Pirates. Next one. And this is a beauty. This is a beauty. Corduroy, Houston Astros. Off-white cap, brown brim, pink UV. This very nice side patch. Look at how shiny it is. Batterman, flat Batterman. It's kind of a cream color cap, cream color dome, crown. Beautiful cap. This one really stood out when I was ordering it. I was like, man, I hope this is available. So I clicked it, and yes, it was. I love this cap. Yep, no button violation. Just gorgeous. And cap was made in China. Houston Astros. Solid cap from Toppers. Next one on. Ooh, what a great looking cap. Flat batty. Look at that side patch. So you figured it out, huh? That is St. Louis Cardinals. And what really stands out is, like I said in one of my previous videos, you know, I like when the front logos are made this way, you know, that they're thick logos, not the flat ones. They're raised. That makes the cap to stand out, you know, that logo to stand out. It's a solid, clean cap, you know, like very beautiful cap. As far as the button goes, it's a red one, you know, but I can't tell. It almost looks like it's a little bit of different tone. So, no, I would still call it the same. But UV blue one, like that baby blue, just like the front logo is. So what do you think about this one? 67 World Series side patch. St. Louis Cardinal. Really cool looking cap. Next one on, it's a minor league cap. Don't know what the team's name was. Let me see if I can find it. No. Probably some kind of a wood ducks or whatever. I just liked it for the logo. Really cool looking cap. As a minor league cap, is no side patch. Raised Batterman, you know, like whatever this one is called, the minor league Batterman. So it looks pretty cool. I just lost one of my lights. But yeah, super cool looking. So the UV is green, like dark green. Dark green brim and gray UV. Good looking cap. Let me see what I can do about that light. Yeah, I ran out of the battery from one of the lights shining my way. So, well, we're going to have to deal with what it is, you know, and keep going on. So, next cap. And it's a clean one. I don't know if you can guess what it is in this colorway. I bet you're going to be wrong guessing. But, yeah. Look what it is. It's an LA Dodgers cap. I just think this is a very clean cap. This is my first one. You know, I have had the not LA, Brooklyn Dodgers cap, you know, but I have not had like LA Dodgers cap. So I think this is a good pickup, you know, for me. I don't know if I will ever wear it. I highly freaking doubt it. I can't stand Dodgers. But since I'm a cap collector, you know, I just thought it would be appropriate to get one or two. So, yeah, it's a solid cap. You know, I can't even tell. It's kind of like a pastel tone green. Can't tell you. And then gray UV. It's a solid cap. Really like it. And it is a raised batterman. And black guts. I like the black guts, not the white ones. So solid cap, but probably gonna sit in one of my display boxes. So next one on, another minor league cap, and it's Dram Tobacconists. I can't even say it. Tobacconists. Tobacconists. I don't know. Shit, I don't freaking know. Raised Batty minor league. No side patch. Here's the logo. It's shiny. Look at that. Very nice looking. Sneaky two-tone, kind of like almost. Cap. Red UV. White guts. And all these damn things stick to the caps. What do you think? Pretty freaking good looking cap, huh? Again, this is Dram Tobacconists. I cannot say, you know, sometimes that English is giving me problems. Read it for yourself. That's one of the tongue twister. Solid cap. Another minor leaguer. Now down to this beauty. Really like this one. This is just a solid cap. Kind of like a cream color. Flat batterman. Like these colors. Boom. Kansas City Royals. Just look at that logo. Look how well this cap has been done. Absolutely freaking gorgeous hat. I could not pass on this one. Wow. If the January is this well, what's going to happen, you know, throughout the year? You know, how am I going to be able to pick my top 20 at the end of the year? Kansas City Royals, man, it's so well done. It's just beautiful colors, you know, the way it's executed. How clean the side patch is. Just look at it. That embroidery, you know, it's just absolutely wonderful. Kansas City Royals. And okay, and then we will finish it off with this. This is a great cap. Kind of makes me laugh, you know. Another minor leaguer. This one actually has the side patch. It's a Buffalo Bisons. This is freaking satin fabric. Ooh, man, look at that bison cap. This is my best bisons, I believe. Yep, the way this is made, you know, the fabric or whatnot. I mean, it's just like, it's like, looks like for the pimp daddy can wear this one. Look at that, you know. It's sparkly. Yep. The brim is satin too on top, and then gray regular one, polyester or whatever, underneath. There's a little bit, if you can see it here, like a little bit of the threads, I don't know, coming loose or whatever. I'm gonna have to figure it out how I go about that. But yeah, bisons. Well, that'll do it for this video. You know, 8 hats, 8 great hats. Let's go one more time real quick through them. This Pittsburgh Pirates cap. And then we got this Houston corduroy, Houston Astros cap. Then we got Cardinals. And the next one was, I believe these are wood ducks or whatever it's called. It's a minor league cap. So no side patch. Then my enemy, LA Dodgers, but it's a beautiful cap. Dodgers. Not gonna say the name of this team, but it's a minor league. Read it for yourself, or I'm gonna make myself look like a full tobacconist or whatever the hell it is. Royals. And the very last one is Pimp Daddy's cap. Buffalo Bison's satin fabric. Ooh, this is hot. This is crazy. Good looking. All right, folks, that's gonna do for this video. We're gonna have more unboxing videos, but for now, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. I'm up, I believe, to 84, 85 subscribers. So what, we're 15 off for reaching the first goal, 100 subscribers. Let's push for 150. How about that? Come on, people. Slap that subscribe button, thumbs up, and take care. See you next time. Welcome.